Hey, did you hear that weird noise outside?
No, I was sleeping. What noise?
Like scratching on the window. It stopped now, though.
Maybe a branch, wind?
No branches near my window? My street is super quiet.
That's creepy. You sure you're okay?
Pretty sure. But now I'm looking outside, and the streetlight is flickering.
Are you serious? That sounds like a horror movie.
Exactly. And then I saw something standing across the street.
What do you mean, something?
I don't know. Tall figure, no face I could see.
Maybe it's a prank or a costume?
I thought that at first, but it didn't move when the light flicked off. Just stared.
Dude, come inside if you're scared.
I locked the door already, but the scratching noise started again, this time from the back door.
Call the cops.
I'm trying. The line's dead. Jake, this is real. Something's out here.